Hi everyone, hope all is well. We're sending love and hugs to all that may have become ill, or worse, have lost a loved one during this horrible crisis. We understand that during these unprecedented times, while we are closed, there's a growing demand for at-home hair coloring kits. We are aware that some salons have begun doing this for their clients.
We want all of our clients to know we have not turned a blind eye to this new idea of making money during this crisis. However, we stand united with Goldwell, our professional color line, along with many other salons, and strongly condone and disagree with this practice for many practical as well as legal regulatory laws. Hair color products designed specifically for professional use only should never be dispersed for at-home use under any circumstances unless applied by a licensed cosmetologist.
As professional colorists, we've spent over 1,200 hours attending cosmetology school, learning all aspects of health and safety, along with relevant chemistry, anatomy, and physiology. Upon our employment here at Public Image, we have all spent years continuing our education with weekly in-salon training in advanced Goldwell color applications and formulations.
Using box colors and/or take-home coloring kits can cause damage to your hair. It can also lead to unnecessary and sometimes costly color correction. Here's the good news. There are several choices designed for you to use at home to color refresh that we suggest you try. One option you can use is DualSense's Color Revive. It is a great way to retone the color on your ends while conditioning your hair. But use caution, only leave it on for 2 to 5 minutes, as the longer you leave it on, the darker it gets.
For your regrowth, we suggest using Style Edit, which is makeup for your hair. Remember, your regrowth is not alone. We all have them and we're all in this together. We hope that you understand, even during these difficult times, it would be unethical for us to deviate from our core principles as a professional Goldwell color salon. Please, just wait for us as soon as the state allows us to reopen. We promise you, you won't regret it.